Welcome to this module on right to freedom. In this module, we'll be learning about the right to freedom that guarantees the Indian citizens to live a life of dignity, among other things. There are many articles which deal. The articles which mention the details about the right to freedom are Article 19, Article 20, Article 21A and 22 of the Indian Constitution. Let us quickly have a look at the articles and what do they deal with. What is a brief description about each article related to right to freedom. So this is the article brief description. You can see here Article 19, protection of 6 rights. It guarantees 6 types of freedoms for us. As you can see here, it is the speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence and profession. So all total, these 6 types of freedoms are guaranteed by the Article 19. So you have speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence and profession. Coming to Article 20. Article 20 deals with the protection with respect to conviction for offences. Article 21 deals with right to life and personal liberty. Article 21A deals with right to elementary education. As you can see here, Article 21A is added to the main article. It is inserted. So that's why we got Article 21A. And Article 22 that protects against the arrest and detention in certain cases. So the fundamental right to freedom is stretched over in 4 articles in the Indian Constitution. Article 19, 20, 21, 21A and 22. So they deal with different types of freedoms, protection, right to life, elementary education and also protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Let us learn about Article 19 in detail now, each clause and section. Article 19 guarantees the 6 types of freedoms for us. As you can see here, the state guarantees freedom of speech and expression to every person in India. As you can see here, however, the state imposes restrictions on the freedom of speech, expression in the interest of the society, integrity, security and sovereignty of the country. Restrictions on the freedom of speech, expression, integrity, security, sovereignty, friendly relation with the foreign nations, foreign public order with respect to defamation, incitement of offence or contempt of court. So Article 19 exclusively deals with the freedom of speech and expression to every individual or every person of the country or every citizen. To put it straight, every citizen is guaranteed the freedom of speech and expression through Article 19.